my heartbeat, my laughter, mi casa, tu casa, all in all. Yeah, my question, my answer, my heartbeat, my laughter, mi casa, su casa.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel once again, and this video is just a little get ready with me. If it sounds like what you actually want to see or you're interested in, kindly keep watching. So this is just me moisturizing my face and setting my face for the makeup, and I would go over to my eyebrows. I would just draw my eyebrows. When I'm done with that, I would highlight the brows, and this is just to make it look neat and all together. After that, I would blend the concealer well into my skin. Then prep my eyes for my eye makeup. Then I would apply my eyeshadow primer. And this is a Jumbo eye pencil in Milk. I will just blend it on my eyelid and prep it for the eyeshadow. Then I'll put a transition color, which is a brown eyeshadow from my Juvia's Place Nubantu eyeshadow, and I'll just blend it. Then start to apply my eyeshadow, which is an orangish color. Just calm and really nice. Then I'll go over my transition color again, and I will apply a wine eyeshadow and just blend everything together. I'll repeat the same process on the other eye. Apply my transition color, my eyeshadow, then blend it all together. So I did my lashes and my liner off camera, and I'm just going to line my waterline with this blue eyeliner. Then start to apply my foundation, and this is the Milani foundation and conceal rather. Just apply all over my face with my beauty blender and make sure I blend it well into my skin. When I'm done with that, I would start to highlight my under eye, and this is just me applying my concealer to the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my under eye. Then I would start to blend. Make sure your beauty blender is damp so it can blend properly. After blending, I'll start to set with my E.l.f. setting powder. Just blend the places I applied the concealer so it won't crease. So while that is baking, I would apply my mascara to my lower lashes. I'm always really careful of my eye because I get really scared. Then I would use my powder brush and my face powder to just blend the setting powder into my skin and just make it come all together so it doesn't look ashy. Do you get? Then I'll start contour. I'll contour my nose, contour my cheeks, just to make that face look a bit slimmer. So I would apply my blush, and this is orangish blush. I'll just apply it lightly, then apply my highlight on the bridge of my cheeks. Just apply it lightly, nothing too much. Then apply it top of my lips, the bridge of my nose, and just blend it in. Then I'll go over to my lips. I would apply this brown shade of lipstick. It's a Jordana lipstick. All details on the products I used would be in the description box down below. Then I would line it with a brown liner. After that, I will apply a lighter shade of the same Jordana lipstick at the middle of my lips. I'm trying to get an ombre nude lips. Then after blending it all together, I would apply a lip gloss on it, and this is the Mary Kay lip gloss. Just apply it on it. I can't do without lip gloss. Hope you guys enjoyed the final look. Hope you guys also try it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.